What's up, guys? This is on a 2011 Ford Focus. No crank, no start. Quick background. Some other mechanic came in, put in one of these crappy little start things straight from the battery. Burned out the starter. Had to replace the starter twice. So the customer wanted to get everything back to normal. There was a bunch of mumbo jumbo crap down here. So I had to cut this thing. I don't know why the hell they had it like this, but had it like this, cut it off, used some of it, wired it here, put a new relay in, check all our other stuff going into the fuse box up front. And this is a new switch. So when this is in, I'm gonna put this switch back in right now. Show you guys what we got going on. This is on position. So you can see here, once we put that crap back on, one second, cut that, not a problem. So we got the switch in. I had to use what I could because I don't have all my stuff with me right now, so I just cut up some of the wire they already had here. But car won't, trying to crank it, start it, won't start. So we take this out after doing all my other checks on the wires and the fuses and relays. Take this out. This is a switch. So, kind of see in here, see how much play that is right there? You see that? Look at that, it just wiggles around. I know that's bad, but we're gonna put the key in here. I'm going to turn it, and with this ignition switch back to somewhat normal, I'm going to turn it from here, start the car. Car will start up. That tells me this little module here is bad. Common thing. And wiring's pretty back to normal, so you need to switch this out. And once that's switched out, the car will start up as normal. You don't have to worry about all this crap. And if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. Get somebody who knows what they're doing, has schematics, and can fix your issue without having to put all this crap. Look at this. Just put some random thing here. Put some fuse down here, like bunch of crap down here. So if you don't know what you're doing, stay out of it. This one's Mechanix.